Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in real estate with RealCrowd, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, visit the RealCrowd website. Create a free account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in your personal details, including email and password, to register. Verify your email after receiving a confirmation link in your inbox. Log into your new account to access the platform. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available features. Explore the various investment opportunities by browsing through the listings. Use the filter options to narrow down projects by asset class or location. Click on any listing to view detailed information about the property. Review financial projections, investment minimums, and expected returns. Read through any offering documents and disclosures provided. If a project piques your interest, check the timeline to understand key dates. Consider the risks associated with the investment. Decide how much you would like to invest in the selected project. Ensure you meet the platform's investment criteria, which may include income verification. When ready, proceed to the investment page. Enter the amount you want to invest in the designated field. Review the summary of your investment, including fees and terms. Confirm your investment by clicking the Final Approval button. Complete any required documents electronically, as outlined in the prompts. Wait for the confirmation of your investment, which will be sent via email. Monitor your investment performance through your RealCrowd dashboard. Stay informed about project updates by checking notifications from the platform. Engage with the RealCrowd community for additional insights and tips. Continue learning about real estate investment strategies for future projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.